and has a lot of breakage through the top, creating some short layers. And I'm so happy that she wants to go short rather than try and hold on to all of that. So we're doing this undercut pixie, actually inspired by Autumn Art and Joel Torres. We're taking diagonal back sections, working some graduation here to the sides. We're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Diagonal back, following the shape of the head, working at 45 degrees, building up the weight a little bit, cross-checking with a bit of scissor or comb, and cleaning things up with a clipper. You can really see the breakage right there. I'm coming here to connect to all those short pieces to try and make them make a little more sense and blend in with the sides, but still hang over and be disconnected. You can see we're just carving through, creating a lot of softness, gives us this nice undercut, which you can tuck behind the ear, and gives this nice Autumn Art inspired look. If you don't know who Autumn is, you definitely should look her up, and Joel too.